open art. So today we will learn to draw a wolf. So first we will start with a circle. So here is a circle. Now we will divide this circle into 4 equal parts. So here it is. Now you have to divide this part into 2. So where will be its middle? Over here. Make a line like this here. Calculate its distance. Here this much. So it will be till here. Extend it till here, and now make a wolf's nose from here like this, and a hole in between here like this from part down. And now its mouth from here touching this part to down, curve it, or we shall extend it a bit more. Okay, here this much. Now curve it and finish it here like this. Now his ear will come in between this, so here like this. Make here like this. Now from here, the inner part of his mouth. Here will come his eyes. Like this. And then now inner part of his ear like that. Now we will add a little texture here like this, with this one. Yeah, and then free on extended. Now we will add a line here, and then teeth. So teeth will be here, one more, and here one more, and here will come a big one. One more big one from back like this. Now here there will be one big, and then here 3 small, 1, 2, and 3, and then here down 1, here 2, now one big, and here another one big. And that's how it teeth. Now we don't need the circle and lines, so just get rid of it. And then from here make a border like this one, and from up also. Not this much broad, actually, a little bit small, and that much enough. And then now some dots here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that much enough. And then we will make this little look better. Like this one. Yeah, a little bold and there, and then from here. Here we go.